Today, I'll be reading you Smug Seagull. And this is how it goes. Swipe. Get a good look, because I just so happened to be the best snack swiper from shore to shore. That's a fact. Being the best means I got guts. I strike while the sun is hot, if you know what I'm saying. Are you keeping up? Because I'm just getting started. Swipe, 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 swipe. Walk with me. Talk with me. Being the best is a big deal. I got my name in lights. Attention, please do not feed seagulls. I got my name in the sky. The seagull grill, now open. People come from miles away to capture my beauty. The fans go crazy when I'm around. Off, 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 off. I even have my own signature dance move. With one of these and these, side to the right, all in the core. Cha-cha-cha. Oh yeah. Hop one time. Ow. Time to bring her home and splat. Say, short stuff, that's one scrumptious looking French fry you got there. Mind if I have a, give me a, let me take a, hey look, a rainbow. Swipe. Like I always say, you gotta be tough. You gotta be pop. Swipe. Alright, listen up, short snuff. Nobody swipes for me. Don't you know who I am? Didn't you read my sign? Well, pal, I just so happen to be the... Oh, no you don't. Alright, we got ourselves a situation. A big... I don't think so. Now it's time to get serious. Plunge. Sand. I love you, Sand. I got a cramp in my wings, see? And I stubbed my toe, see? So I'll just swipe myself another snack. Yeah, because I can swipe anything I feel like. No doubt about it. Swoosh. Spritz. Swish. Woof. lost my swipe. And remember, kids, remind Mum and Dad to subscribe so you can see all my books. I've lost my swipe to a crab! This is the end. Goodbye, science. Goodbye, fans. Goodbye, Special Lookout Tower handcrafted just for me. I'll have to move to a lake and eat soggy bread crumb with ducks. I don't want to hang out with ducks! Well, if it isn't Mr. Fancy Legs. You got a lot of nerve coming around my neck of the beach. And another thing. Gasp! A tiny human! Munch, crunchy, crunch, crunch. Back, away, slowly. This can be very unpredictable. If this thing comes any closer, get ready to... run! Hi, Krabby. Would you like a cheese puff? Here you go. Bye-bye, nice Krabby. Short stuff. You're a genius. Hi, could we please have some? Thanks, nice castle. If you don't want the crust, we'll be right here. We like lying on our bellies too. And crackers. You know, you got guts, little pal. Is it alright if I call you little pal? With your charm and my one-of-a-kind good looks, we make a great team. Maybe even the best. So just stick with me and you'll go places. No doubt about it. Time to turn out that charm, little pal. They're busting out the marshmallows. Well, thank you for joining me to read Smug Seagull. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!